What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna show you what it's like driving or dailying a 1997 Toyota 4Runner. This thing has 400,000 miles in it, and right now it's ticking. Let's see, this is a daily. These trucks are amazing for first starters. We got so much room in the back. We got some all-terrains, BF Goodrich. We got the rough country lift on it, which is a pretty good lift. This is what 400,000 miles due to these motors. I'm probably like the 10th owner of this thing, but I try taking care of it, make it last a little bit longer, but it has a little tick to it. So I do my maintenance and I try to make this thing run right. Keep it running. 400,000, let's keep it going. Maybe make it to 500,000. Here's a quick walk around.